grow zucchini, you can either purchase seedlings that are ready to transplant or purchase seeds and sow them. If sowing from seed, start with sowing them in a nursery pot, 1 or 2 seeds per pot. Cover with soil mix and water. Once your seedlings are well formed, you can transplant them to the ground. For the planting, dig a nice hole and add a blend of soil mix, organic soil conditioner or compost and garden soil. Zucchini is very demanding in terms of nutrients. Place each hole 3 feet from the next. Place the moist clump in the center and cover with soil. Press down and shape the ground into a bowl. Water without getting the leaves wet. And layer some mulch around the base of the plants to protect them. Watering must be regular to produce nice fruits. One zucchini plant spreads about 3 feet across. Provide for the space it needs in your garden. Harvest your zucchini regularly. They'll be more tender and tasty.